In the world of emergency response, every second can mean the difference between life and death. And the machines you are about to see are far from ordinary fire trucks. These are 888 giants, engineered to charge into raging fires, cross destroyed runways, and battle some of the most extreme airport emergencies on the planet. They carry enough water, foam, and chemicals to extinguish fires that could consume entire aircraft, and are operated by highly trained crews who trust these machines with their lives. If you think fire trucks are just red boxes with hoses, prepare to have your mind blown. First on our list is the NAFFCO Falcon 8.8. The undisputed king of airport firefighting. Dual engines delivering a total of 1,400 horsepower, massive 16,000-liter water tank, 1,920-liter foam tank, designed for aviation fuel fires, optional halotron and dry chemical modules. At full load, it weighs 52 tons, yet thanks to its 8 all-wheel drive system, it can accelerate down the runway faster than you'd expect. The Falcon meets NFPA 414 and ICAO standards, meaning it's certified for international airport firefighting operations. Every feature, from its high-flow roof turret to the front bumper monitor, is designed to save lives in catastrophic emergencies. Imagine an aircraft fire on takeoff. The Falcon arrives in minutes, delivers thousands of liters of water and foam, and gives firefighters the upper hand in a matter of seconds. Next, we head to Europe for the Magirus SuperDragon 2 888, the evolved sibling of the SuperDragon X8. This is a machine built for scale and precision. Water tank, 14,000, 17,000 liters depending on configuration. Foam tank, several thousand liters for chemical suppression. Pump, 10,000 liters per minute at 10 bar. Enough to knock down a large jet fuel fire in minutes. Its heavy-duty 888 chassis allows it to traverse runways, sand, mud, or debris with ease. Magirus engineered it with smart electronic controls, rapid response algorithms, and intuitive operator interfaces, making it ideal for major international airports where every second counts. The SuperDragon 2 doesn't just respond to fires. It overwhelms them with precision, power, and speed unmatched in Europe. From Austria comes the Rosenbauer Panther 888, an iconic ARFF vehicle seen at the busiest airports worldwide. Weight, check to 52 tons, firefighting agents, 19,000 liters of water, plus foam, pump output, 10,000 LL min, advanced remote control roof turrets, thermal imaging cameras, and under-vehicle extinguishing systems. Its 888 chassis and dual engines allow it to reach emergency sites in record time, even across the most challenging terrains. The Panther is designed to meet ICAO response time rules, meaning it can reach a fire anywhere on the airfield within 3 minutes. This is more than a fire truck. It's a mobile fortress, capable of handling jet fuel fires, hangar incidents, and industrial accidents alike. Next is the Oshkosh Striker 888, a high-performance ARFF truck from the USA. High-flow pump capable of massive output, configurable with water, foam, dry chemicals, and advanced snozzle turret systems. Fully adjustable roof monitors for precision targeting. Its rugged 888 chassis ensures it can operate on runways, sand, mud, or debris while delivering unmatched stability and speed. The Striker is deployed at both commercial airports and military air bases, proving its versatility. Whether responding to a takeoff fire, a hangar blaze, or a chemical spill, it delivers raw power and rapid suppression capability. The Rosenbauer MT Buffalo 888 is a modular firefighting platform designed for maximum flexibility. Its 888 chassis supports heavy loads, allowing for large water and foam tanks to be mounted depending on operational requirements. Pump outputs can reach over 10,000 liters per minute, and turret systems are fully remote controlled. This modular design allows operators to adapt the truck for airport firefighting, industrial sites, or remote wildfire zones. The MT Buffalo is built to handle any terrain, and its modular approach ensures rapid reconfiguration for mission-specific needs. This is the ultimate blend of off-road capability, firepower, and adaptability. Europe gives us another beast, the Ziegler Z8 XXL 888, Germany's answer to high-capacity airport firefighting. Water tank, 16,000 liters. Foam tank, 2,000 liters. Pump output, 12,000 liters. Minute, 50-ton gross vehicle weight. Capable of 0 to 80 km/h in record time for its size. The Z8 XXL is engineered with rapid response software, smart fire suppression electronics, and precision targeting, making it a high-tech powerhouse at every major airport. When a large-scale aviation disaster strikes, the Z8 XXL doesn't respond. It dominates. The Rosenbauer Buffalo Extreme, the largest off-road fire suppression platform on wheels. Weight, 68 tons. Water tank, 33,000 liters. Foam system and remote-controlled 60C turret. LCS 2.0 system for full operator control, even by a single person. It's built for wildfires, industrial incidents, and remote emergencies, where speed, water volume, and fire suppression versatility mean everything. The Buffalo Extreme is more than a truck. It's a mobile fortress, capable of bringing extreme blazes under control where no other vehicle can operate. Finally, meet the Lion Class ARFF 88 from Turkey, a powerful guardian for large airports. Its 888 chassis ensures fast, stable response across runways and rugged terrain. Heavy-duty water and foam tanks, along with a roof-mounted turret, deliver precise fire suppression. The reinforced crew cabin protects firefighters, while integrated controls manage pumps, foam, and turret simultaneously. Reliable, strong, and ready for action. The Lion Class 888 is built to defend lives when every second counts. And there you have it. The 8 largest and most powerful airport fire trucks in the world. They are more than engines and steel. They are hope, protection, and the final line of defense in disasters. If you enjoyed this journey into the world of mega machines, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. More mechanical giants await exploration, and we'll see them in the next adventure. View the latest news and breaking news today for U.S., world, weather, entertainment, politics, and health at HeyGen.